Adding an authorized user to your Wells Fargo checking account grants someone limited access, like making deposits or withdrawals, without giving them ownership. This differs from joint owners who share full liability. To add someone, they generally need to be at least 18, though minors are possible with parental consent. You'll need their SSN or TIN and proof of identity, like a driver's license. Wells Fargo might check for fraud history, but doesn't typically run a credit check. Keep in mind, authorized users can't close the account or change the address. Wells Fargo offers a few ways to add an authorized user. The quickest is online or through the mobile app. Log in, navigate to Account Services, then Authorized Users Online, or use the Manage Users section in the app. Follow the prompts to enter their information. You can also visit a branch or call 1-800-869-3557 for assistance, but digital methods are generally faster. Online additions are usually instant, but may take 1 to 3 business days for verification. Remember to monitor their activity via alerts to prevent any misuse.